So today is January 14. Kasama ko si Clark. Pupunta kami sa debut ni Marley. Hindi ako pa. Ko sa Twitter, kasama ko ngayon. Yung tina-talk shit ko sa Twitter.
Tell me what's on your mind. If you still feel the same, I wanted you to love, but you wanted me to take You gave my life to me, set me free, set me free. Yeah, so that was from Brad, no?
Ito yung mga araw na super busy ako kakaalis and gala because I'm trying to occupy my mind and stop overthinking things. Kaya lagi ko nililibang yung sarili ko outside. Parang halos everyday ako naalis and I focus more on living in the moment. Nakakalimutan ko na mag-film ng videos outside.
Welcome to my vlog. So for today's video, I'm going to show you my classmates. Nakawin. They are fucking doing their thing. While I'm just sitting here, I'm just a model. I just go to class every other day. Sometimes once a month because I have taping. What's your dream life?
Ano? Mamatay.
What can you say about
Malim!
What can you say about maasim?
Hindi. Hardworking.
Then what can you say about me? Tell them what can you say about me?
Andrea is a kind girl, like
Yeah, that's right.
naiyak ako.
Okay, she said I'm a kind girl. I don't know if that is true, but I hope so.
That's a blabbermouth only.
So today is February 17. I'm here at Makati. Nagsubok ako ng casting call sa Colored Cosmetics and I don't know kung naririnig niyo ako. Andito ako, hinihintay ko na lang yung friend ko. So, gabi na kami natapos niyan because ang daming nag-a-apply din during that time, around 2 to 300 models yung kasama ko and yung iba doon nakikita ko na sa mga commercial. So I am really happy, tapos nagkaroon pa ako ng opportunity to meet the CEO of this brand na nagpapa-audition. And the next is nagkaroon ng time with other co-models. So after nyan, kumain lang kami ng friend ko sa McDo, then umuwi na kami.